Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically this whole operation of removing the data is similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it in your browser based on this video. So as I said, let's open the browser and let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if this list is really long in your case, removing it manually is not the most efficient way to remove the data. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some options. So browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files are more basic, and here we've got advanced options like saved passwords or site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see in my case, I will remove everything. We can change the time range from all time to last 24 hours, last 7 days. It's up to you. Just pick the option and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.